Welcome to Globetrotter. Today we're traveling to one of the cleanest, safest, and smartest cities in the entire world, Singapore. From futuristic architecture to lush green gardens, Singapore is where tradition meets technology. Let's explore 10 amazing facts about this incredible island nation. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore. Fact 1. A country smaller than New York City. Singapore is so small that it could fit into New York City 3 times, yet it's one of the most powerful economies in Asia. Fact 2. A city built on vision. Just 60 years ago, Singapore was a struggling island. Today, it's one of the world's most developed and futuristic countries, thanks to brilliant planning and discipline. Fact 3. A garden city. Singapore is known as the Garden City because over 50% of the country is covered in greenery. Even the skyscrapers have trees on them. Fact 4. No chewing gum allowed. Yes, it's true. Chewing gum is banned in Singapore to keep the city clean and tidy. Fact 5. The world's most expensive cars. Buying a car in Singapore can cost 3 to 4 times more than in other countries due to strict vehicle laws. Fact 6. The Marina Bay Sands. This hotel is one of the most iconic buildings in the world with a rooftop infinity pool that looks like it touches the sky. Fact 7. One of the world's best airports. Changi Airport has waterfalls, gardens, and even a movie theater, often ranked the #1 airport in the world. Fact 8. Multicultural harmony. People from China, India, Malaysia, and many other countries live peacefully together, making Singapore a global melting pot. Fact 9. A smart nation. From driverless trains to cashless payments, almost everything in Singapore is powered by technology and innovation. Fact 10. Nighttime Wonderland. At night, Singapore comes alive with light shows, street food, and the magical glow of gardens by the bay. That's Singapore. Small in size, but huge in innovation, culture, and beauty. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Globetrotter for more amazing travel stories. Tell us, which country should we explore next?